Alright boys, a mighty Minelab Manticore. Now I'm going to show two coils on this machine. First is the M8 coil. That's an aluminum lid off a cat food can. All-terrain low conductors. Speed 5, one region, all tunes, okay? No disc. You see that meter. Speed 5, 24 sensitivity. I've got signal to the moon with that. You see that? So you'd probably think that could be a can with this machine, right? I've showed a video with the DS2. Similar fashion here with the HF2 coil. You can go watch it if you want to. Alright. That go ring is up there now. So you got to hear this machine without the ring. What about the ring up there? 1 inch above. You see the screen? That is one region, all tones. Now that is speed 5. We're going to pump this thing up to speed 8. You get to hear the machine's behavior. You get to listen to the audio pitch. You see that. 1 inch over that ring. Half inch over that ring. See that trace. I've got signal to the moon when I raise that coil up. Even in speed 8. Look at that. Right there, look at that. That's 14 inches above that can lid. Not quite so high off above the gold ring. We'll remove the gold ring. Speed 8. You see that nice dot. You get to hear that audio. Rings back up there. 1 inch above. You see the trace. You see the ID. ID's sort of stable on it. About 48 to 50. 54. It moves around a little bit, okay? That's 1 inch above it. Alright. All-terrain high conductors, speed 8, one region all tones. You see what I've got there? I've got a dot, and the gold ring is up there. Remember that. Okay, gold ring's coming off. What do we get now in the screen? We've got a cleaner dot, a little higher ID. Alright, let me turn this camera off. We'll put this M9 coil on here. Alright, camera back on. I'm going to show this M9 coil, and I will be putting the M8 back on this detector. We'll look at this in single frequency. I forgot to show it. Okay, some folks may find that interesting. Alright, this is all-terrain high conductor, speed 8. No gold ring, just the aluminum lid. All-terrain high conductors, all tone, one region, all tones. 3 inches above that lid. Okay. We'll transition next. All-terrain low conductor, speed 8, one region, all tones. No gold ring present. We see a lot there like we seen with the M8 coil without the gold ring. Gold ring is up there. All-terrain high conductor, speed 8. See what we've got. Okay. There's a sweep. 1 inch above that gold ring. All-terrain low conductor, speed 8. Okay, I'm gonna remove the gold ring, sweep the coil about just like I did with the same speed and let you listen. This is altering low conductors, altering high conductors. Okay, I'm gonna turn the camera off, but we'll go to single frequency first on this one. This is 15 kilohertz. That's what it looks like, sounds like. $20 kilohertz. $40 kilohertz. That's no go ring up there. $40 kilohertz, 1 inch above the go ring. $20 kilohertz. 15 kilohertz. We'll go back to 40. 1 inch above that go ring on a sweep. You get to hear that machine. That's 40 kilohertz. I'm removing the go ring. I'll do a similar sweep, similar height above that lid there. So you get to make your own decisions on what you thought you heard in this detector, with and without that go ring. Let me turn this camera off. I'll put this M8 coil back on here and we'll look at single frequency right fast. All right, camera back on. So is the M8 coil. 40 kilohertz, single frequency, speed 8, no go ring present. So you got to hear that. Go rings up there, about 1 inch above. What do we hear? So it does behave different there, you notice. 1 inch above, 20 kilohertz. Sounds different than 40, don't it? Listen. Open up the screen. You see the meter there. I'm going to remove the go ring and sweep again in 40 kilohertz. You see the meter and you see the ID. That's full sweeps over that. I'll put the go ring back in one more time and let you listen 1 inch over the go ring. Hover the go ring. 47, 48 in the meter. That's going to conclude the video.